Prepare.
We are preparing for a camp.
For a camp? Or you wanna take tour, river tour?
We are going.
Do you have money? 300,000 rupiahs.
Yes.
Hello, my name is Kian. I'm from Balikpapan, Kalimantan, Indonesia. And we are at Mangrove Center Grahinda at Complex Grahinda. And this place is amazing and cool and very quiet in there.
This place is quiet. This place is beautiful, full of
mangrove.
full of plants and full of wildlife, such as these little holes in sand is the hiding place. You can see one. There's a crab right there. Can you see it? Yeah, there. And this place is very beautiful to me.
Yang naik berapa puluh kilo ini? 60, 50 kali 2. Oh, 160.